starting with Little Caprice #1 by Andersen. I think this is cute. I like this one. So, first of all, I want to make sure that you're playing staccatos correctly. So you're going to play the first measure for me, all ha's. Ha, 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 ha. No tongue. Now, add your tongue only to the beginnings of the notes. Don't clip it off with your tongue. I want to hear T-A, not T-A-T, not ta, ta. I want to hear ta, ta, ta. So you still push those little puffs of air like you just did with the ha's. You just stick a tonguing at the beginning of each ha. So ta, ta, ta. Now add your slurs in. So whenever I have repeated notes, I tend to crescendo or decrescendo because it's boring to listen to a repeated note. So in that first measure, I tend to crescendo those G's and then maybe decrescendo the E's in measure 2, or you could crescendo again, but do something other than just staying da, da, da. It's boring. Measure 3, we suddenly switch to piano. So this is a new phrase. We're going to breathe. Pretty simple. Then it repeats measures 1 and 2 again. Then it repeats measure 3, and then 4 is pretty simple. You'll be fine with that. So, measure 5, 6, 7, 8 is pretty simple. So going on to measure 9, you have subito, so loud, and then subito piano. I know it doesn't say subito, but that's what I want. And then write down your G scale. You all know this. And then I would breathe here because it's suddenly soft. I'd like to breathe a lot oftentimes when there's sudden dynamic changes if it works. So I'm going to stop there for today. Really focus on your staccatos. That's the #1 most important thing. If you feel like you got those down, add your dynamics, crescendo and decrescendo when you have repeated notes. Don't just play the same thing over and over. Watch your accidentals starting in measure 9. Mark them in. This is a 1-week piece. I don't want you spending a lot of time. Oh, I know that. I can play it, going back and playing it over. Just mark it and move on. So save that kind of stuff for your solo. We want to just get this done. This is like an audition. We just need to get it the best we can in a week and move on. So mark it in. I will see you at the next video. Bye.